Welcome to our deep dive into the Hydrocollator E-1 stationary heating unit, the unsung hero of therapeutic heat. Imagine a world where pain relief is just a hot pack away. This unit is essential for anyone seeking moist therapeutic heat, delivering consistent temperatures that soothe aching muscles and joints. Its durable stainless steel frame ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion in any clinical or home setting. Maintenance? A breeze. You won't be wrestling with complicated setups or constant repairs. Plus, it comes with 4 hot packs, ready to go whenever you need them. Just fill the unit with water, set your desired temperature, and let the Hydrocollator work its magic. Whether you're an athlete recovering from a tough workout or someone managing chronic pain, this heating unit is a game changer. Embrace the comfort of heat therapy and elevate your wellness routine with the Hydrocollator E-1. Your body will thank you.